everybody, Carol here from Designer Stencils, and today I'm starting 30 days of project ideas. Yes, it's a big feat, but every day I want to show you another project. Some are going to be culinary, some are going to be with painting. I just want to give you a lot of ideas for, we're going to do some last minute ones for Halloween, and then we've got your fall get-togethers, Thanksgiving, and then we have all the holidays. So you're going to be needing a lot of gifts, hostess presents, you're going to be entertaining at your house, and we want to give you a lot of different ideas to get the creative juices flowing. But today, being the first day, I wanted to do something that's very, very simple. I'm sure we've got some Halloween parties that we have to go to this next week, and I don't know if you're like me, but at the end of the day, baking is one of the last things I want to do. I love it, but after dinner is put away, I'm too tired. I'm sorry. Shout out to all you bakers out there. It is true labor of love, but at the end of the day, I'm exhausted. So you're gonna find me in the bakery aisle of your grocery stores and trying to find something that I could slap a stencil on to kind of make it a little nicer than just taking something in a little plastic container. So the other day, I found these from Trader Joe's. They are adorable little pumpkin mousses. They're nice and flat, and the icing is dry so that I know I can put a stencil on it. So today I want to show you how quick and easy it is to take one of these little guys and turn it into this, and turn it into this. So let's get started. I have this set of stencils. It's number, let's see, 742. And it's a great set of mini little jack-o'-lantern faces. And we're gonna be putting that right here on top of our cookie, or actually a little cake, I guess is what you would call it. But the key to it, and I'm gonna say this over and over again over the next 30 days, is you want a very high quality flat stencil brush. And for this project, we're going to be using liquid food color, right out of the jar, nothing you have to mix. We'll put that down in our little tray here. And let's turn this so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to put my brush in the color, and then this is the key. See the paper towel I have here? You can see where I was practicing before. Got a fresh area there. You're gonna be taking your brush with that color on it, and you're gonna wipe off all the excess. See how I'm rubbing that in there? It's actually pushing some of the product up into the bristles to save for later. Now, with this type of a product, it's not a hard icing like you would on a royal icing cookie. It's actually a little soft. So if I were to press too hard with the stencil brush, swirling with a very dry brush, it might break that crust. So I'm actually going to go for a little wetter brush today, just dabbing off a little bit of the excess. And then I'm going to go and pounce. Move my fingers out of the way there, and voila. Look at how fast that was. I mean, it literally didn't take me 30 seconds to do it. So for your next party, just remember, go to the bakery aisle, find something already done, and then throw a stencil on it. So how easy was that? Super easy. So just remember to subscribe to our channel, and that way you're going to get notification of all the other projects that we're going to be posting. And please ask me questions, make your comments, tell me what you like, what you don't like, and we will try to address everything as soon as we can. Thanks. Have a good day.